FieldLink 2025.3 now supports rotating section boxes. This enables users to create a section box. As you can see here, we have a curved roof structure or slanted roof structure that's going to have some insulation or metal paneling put in right here. And we want to send just that data to CAD or Revit to design and then fabricate in detail too. To get into the rotation, we simply create a section box that can be done down here in the section box button. And then I can rotate it here in the XY and also in the plane if I go to side view. So we'll rotate it, click that button again, and now we have a section box that will fit just this plane of where this next paneling is going to have to be installed, and we can export that.